How do I upgrade my membership? I don't know. I think you just click the, like, button somewhere. There's a button. Click all the buttons. You'll find it eventually. Do you have your SPX call hedge? Not yet. How are you feeling about your September 16th 35 Cs? Fine. I haven't even bought back the 30s. Should turn our cooking channel into a beauty channel, please. It would be like putting lipstick on a pig. You should hydrate. Thank you, Bithead. Occupier of VWAP Pontiff. Fubo's seriously rocketing. It's even starting to break away from like the rest of the basket, which is all moving up. IWM isn't moving at all? This is fucking weird. Dude, like 450s are about to go in the money. That's fucking nuts. All anatomical questions related to... Wait, what was that? Mythical half-humans are answered by which part we're talking about. It says the naughty bits are on the horse end, then they will be towards the back haunches. I see it. I'm not sure I agree with that definition. What's inside the horse part? Is it it's just one intestine. It's just like a colon, and it just extends all the way through the horse part. It's that and muscle and skeleton. The real question is, why did the human part of the centaur connect to the horse neck, while the human part of a satyr joins up with the waist of the goat? That is a good question. I don't know. You know, nowadays we can just go on the internet for weird porn, right? But back then they had to draw it, so it was really, you know, up to the artist. Creative license. All right, fine. Now that everything stopped running, I'll play the song.
Pickle, 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 pickle.
Which part of the dolphin do you connect to? I don't. It's just gonna be me as a dolphin. So from like the shoulders up, just like a dolphin head, a top hat, and like little flippers. And then when the stock goes up, my flippers will just go crazy. That's the plan. Then I can leave, but people will still be entertained. Ding ding, the day is done. Yeah, of course, monocle top hat. Maybe a mustache, if we can squeeze it on there. Sew your head on top of the dolphin near the blowhole. Oh, maybe when a stock really like rips, he could just shoot water out of his blowhole and like it'll blow his little top hat up and then come back down. So what you're saying is I can prevent pores from upgrading? No, they just have to do it on desktop. Yeah, of course on porpoise. Yeah, and he'll make like that, whatever that sound is, you know, where it's like, it's spelled like this. I don't know. I don't know what, I don't, yeah, I can't pronounce it. But the dolphin will make that sound when, like, above 5% in a day. I spend my entire day talking to imaginary friends, okay? All right, anyway, let's wrap up the day here and take a look at everything. So, basically everything ripped today. GME, Bobby, Fubo, all up massively. GME 11.69%. BBBY, I think, ripped also, up 8%. Revlon up 4%, and Fubo up 15%. So really good performance across all the basket stocks, and all the big tickers went up today too. SPY up 153 basis points at close. Closing at 106, back at that 106.31 level. It's tough. There's not a lot of call volume, or there wasn't a lot of call volume this morning on the SPY above 410. With the puts sold off today and repositioning, that could change OI by Monday morning. I will try to update everyone on the SPY OI Monday morning if I have time, or SPX OI Monday morning. But right now, you know, this is kind of the top of where the current range of bullish, like, options volume was. So for us to move up higher, we'll need more positioning at like the 410, 415 level. I do think that with the lack of kind of negative data on Monday, we're pretty likely to stabilize negative, a lack of negative and lack of positive data on Monday. We're really likely to stabilize in this like 405 to 407 range. There is a little downside room. We could slip potentially back to 400 before bouncing again, just because there is some like more short positions opened at 400 that didn't really close off today. And a lot of those were opened yesterday on like the rally to 401. So provided those haven't closed out already, you know, we may still see a slip into that like 400, 398 range before moving up like Tuesday, Wednesday. Then we have SLD next Wednesday as we move into OPEX. And I do expect that will likely cause some downturn in the current price action. But we may, because of the kind of bull rally we're on, or bear rally we're on, we may see kind of an SLD similar to what we saw in, was it June? Or like, well, yeah, like end of June's rally, like where you know SLD was really brief. So if you are short and SLD prints your puts, that could be a really good time to reposition as we move into the settlement period for the supplemental liquidity deposits, and the market moves up potentially even more into the Fed meeting the week of the 23rd. So some stuff to watch out for, kind of on the macro level. GME looks really good, but I suspect a lot of the calls that came in today were closed out. Some of the $30 calls that came in are looking bullish. I don't know how that's going to affect our price action over next week. Utilization going into this morning was really low. If that low utilization persists, we may see some more short interest come in like after middle of Tuesday next week. Right now, though, I think we can hold like this $27 range, 27 to 29. We'll see, obviously next week if we start to see more and more call interest come in, then it could be, we're going to have to position for OPEX at a slightly higher price. I think that's about it. Is there anything that I didn't cover there? Okay. All right, guys, thank you so much. And I will see the members 12:30 on Sunday, 12:30 p.m. and the rest of you Monday morning. Well, actually, I'll probably just see all of you at 12:30. I'll have it open to everyone. Thank you guys so much and have a great night and a great weekend. Later.